Hi, I'm Phyllis and my website is southernfrugal.com. Today we are going to make some more Jello, and this is in my efforts to keep Jello alive. I have had many comments where folks have written in and said it also helped their knee joint just like it helped mine, so I'm quite thrilled about that. So this one is going to be a little fancier. Alright, so we have boiled half a cup of water. I just put it in the microwave, and we're going to dissolve one 3-ounce package of Lime Jello. Now that's the smaller package, not that larger one, just the 3-ounce package. And so what we want to do is just stir that around and get it dissolved. Now the directions I think say to stir it for 80 minutes. 80 minutes. Stir it for 2 minutes. And now to this we're going to add an 8-ounce package of cream cheese. Since we're going to put it in the blender, I'm not going to mix it as long. And I do use my my Oster blender just because I can take it all apart and put it in the dishwasher. So we're going to add that. Not completely dissolved, but close. And to that we're going to add the 8-ounce package of, this is Philadelphia brand cream cheese. There we go. Get that open real good. I did let my cream cheese sit out for a little while on the counter. Just plop that in. And now to this we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of pineapple juice, and that came out of a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks. So that's about 3/4 of a cup. Just going to put that in, and there's no sugar added to the pineapple. It's just 100% pineapple juice. Alright, let's just mix that up. It's going to be a little loud. There. Alright, here we go. That's all there is to it for that part. Now I'm going to add my pineapple chunks, and that is a 20-ounce can of pineapple. And I have started using the chunks because when I get the crushed pineapple, some of the core is still in there, and it, it's kind of a little hard chunks in there. We're going to add 1 cup of pecan pieces. You can certainly use walnuts. This is a 6-ounce pack of Bird's Eye frozen coconut, and it is sweetened. So I'm going to put that in. That really works out to be about 1 cup, but you can use like a little can of that Angel Flake coconut or whatever type you like. We put that in. Now the next ingredient is 1 cup of very thin sliced celery. See if y'all can see how thin that's sliced. And what that's going to do is add a little bit of crunch to it along with the pecan pieces. Just mix, and I'm just doing that all in my blender so I don't have to mess up another bowl. It'll take probably about 2 hours, maybe more, for this to set. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and dump this into just a regular Pyrex loaf pan. So what you'll get with the celery is it makes it crunchy, as do the pecans. So I'm just going to mix this a little more thoroughly. Now this is very similar to the little Jello, sort of a, I don't know, Jello concoction that my aunt fixed at Christmas time to go with German chocolate cake. And I remember my cousin asked me if I wanted some, and I said, well, sure. And it had celery in it, and I thought, ooh, I don't think I'm going to like that. I didn't say it, but that's what I was thinking. But actually, the celery kind of gives you something to chew on, along with the pineapple, the coconut, and the pecans. And it goes really good as a side dish with almost any meal. It's really quite delicious. All right, when this gets set, we will show you what it looks like, and we'll give it a taste. All right, we'll be back in a couple hours. All right, we have got our meal ready. We're having vegetable beef soup, and I made that with grass-fed beef and cornmeal muffins. And there's the dessert. I'm going to set the camera up. I'm going to give it a taste for y'all, so hold on. All right, there's what it looks like close up. It is really good. Got crunch in there. Can y'all hear? I don't know if you can hear that or not. It is really good. The celery gives it that crunch. Now it's not completely set now because we couldn't wait, because I've already had the soup ready, so I decided to go ahead and take it out. Very, very good. Finish chewing this. You can't really taste the celery, but I really like that little crunch it gives. All right, y'all, we'll see y'all next time. Bye for now.